Hello everyone, welcome to Wilson and the Family Kitchen. Today we are making bacon popcorn. And so to start out, we're going to want to cook some bacon on the stove. We're going to take 3 pieces for now. You can use however many you want. So now we're going to place the bacon in. Do not plop it in. You may plop it. It's just, you gotta be careful, because in a minute, it's gonna start snapping, and bacon fat or something is gonna splash at you, which hurts. Now we're gonna flip it up. Flip it up. Drop some heat in there for a second. Look, it's steaming up. Oh. I think bacon popcorn is gonna taste like bacon. Like, I don't know why, but I just have a kind of feeling because it's in the name. Ooh. So now here's the plan. We're gonna use that bacon fat to cook the popcorn. And so we're gonna turn the pan on. Hello, welcome back. So now we're going to put our popcorn kernels into 1/3 of a cup. Oh, by the way, make sure to set your pan with the bacon fat in it to a medium heat. You should probably wait for it to heat up so then when we put the popcorn in, it cooks. But real quick, so when you are cooking it, you want to shake it, put a lid on it, and leave just the jar open. Shake it, and every now and then, lift. Yeah. Then after we can add our toppings, which are chives and bacon. Everyone, make sure you like and subscribe while we wait for this pan to heat up. It would really help. But now I think we can add our popcorn. Make sure every now and then to shift it. That's good sounds. Jiffy Pop, it is not a jiffy. Oh. We're getting there, we're getting there. We're getting to the bacon popcorn. I think we're done. Oh yeah. That's bacon popcorn. Now we add topping. Our toppings are chives and chopped up bacon. Popcorn plus bacon plus chives plus bacon fat. That's good. This is amazing. Please make it at home. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. That's all for today on Wilson and the Family Kitchen. Goodbye. See you next time.
I think you might want to go a little higher. Just
A little higher.
little
higher.
hotter. Little hotter.
Man.
I don't want to sell the popcorn.
Man.